Today, I'll guide you through the simple process of purchasing USDT with Apple Pay. To begin, you'll need to install an app called Zango. Head to your App Store, search for Zango and install it. Zango is a crypto and Bitcoin wallet that enables you to buy and sell crypto on your iOS device. After installing Zango, tap on the purchase symbol within the app. Select USDT as the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. Enter the desired amount of USDT you want to buy. Verify your identity by providing necessary documents such as your ID card or driver's license. Proceed with the verification process as required by the app. Once verified, you can choose Apple Pay as your payment option in the billing details. Complete the transaction, and you've successfully purchased USDT with Apple Pay. That's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful in understanding how to buy USDT with Apple Pay.